So you get up the next morning and reality kind of sinks in. You've got your grandchildren and you know that there are things that you have to do. They're going to need medical attention, they're going to need clothing, they're going to need food. As a retired grandparent, you're on a fixed income.
Absolutely.
So what do you do? What types of things do you have to do to get past that shock and get into the mode of taking care of your grandchildren?
Well, I think the next day was getting a hold of the welfare department to find out what assistance they could be for you. And there are some, depending on what state you live in, there's benefits that you're eligible for, not based on your income, but based on the child's income. Medicaid, so that you have insurance for medical care. Also, food stamps if you're, and you check that out first. And then you have to find out what the schools are going to require for you to be able to put them in school. And also, if you're going to take them to therapy, the adult child has to sign those papers, because until you have some form of legal status, you can't do anything. So the next step was hiring an attorney to get those things taken care of so that you could do that.
So it's important, no matter where you are, what state you live in, that you seek legal advice to make sure that you're doing everything that you can to protect the child and put them in a healthy environment.
Right, exactly.
How did you go about helping out your financial situation? Not so much in terms of money, but what other types of things can you look to help with needs that the children have?
I think United Way was a great resource of the nonprofit organizations that are in your community. Because if you call the United Way office, they can let you know, who has sliding scales for therapy, for medical services, for dental services, and who has a clothing giveaway, who's got a backpack giveaway. It's an invaluable resource. Churches, our church was very, very good because they provided, of course, your emotional support. That's number one, is your emotional support and guidance. And you never know if they've got people in your church that are willing to give furniture away, or if there's other organizations in your community that are willing and have the things that you need.